If you've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you already know it deserves the best MagSafe accessories to unlock its full potential. Today, we're diving into 5 must-have MagSafe accessories that take your iPhone experience to a whole new level. From next-level protection and flawless charging to pro-level photography gear. Let's jump right in. Number 1. ESR case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. You want protection, functionality, and style, and the ESR case delivers all 3. Designed exclusively for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, this case keeps every button, port, and speaker perfectly accessible. What really sets it apart is the built-in camera stash stand, tested for over 3,000 uses. It protects your lens while doubling as a sturdy stand with adjustable angles. Perfect for video calls or binge watching, the military-grade protection gives you confidence against drops up to 23 feet. Thanks to its triple-layer structure, tough on the outside, shock-absorbing on the inside, and when it's time to charge, the 1500G magnetic lock ensures instant, secure MagSafe connection for effortless wireless charging. With ESR's unmatched support, detailed setup guides, and a 12-month protection plan, you're covered every step of the way. This is more than a case. It's your phone's ultimate armor and companion for everyday use. Number 2. TORRAS Screen Protector. Your iPhone 17 Pro Max deserves a screen as tough as its tech, and the TORRAS Protector is in a league of its own. Built with military-grade 9H plus aerospace glass, the same material used in spacecraft, it's virtually unbreakable and unscratchable. With over 138 million sold globally and 0 screen breakage reports, this is true reliability. It's been tested through thousands of drop and scratch tests. No cracks, no scratches, no worries. You'll love how seamlessly it blends with your display thanks to the edge-to-edge 2.5D design, giving you invisible, gap-free protection that feels like it's not even there. Installation is a breeze with TORRAS's one-pull system, perfect alignment, no bubbles, no dust, guaranteed. Whether you're climbing, biking, or just scrolling, your screen stays flawless. For fearless protection and smooth touch, this TORRAS screen protector is your iPhone's best defense against the unexpected. Number 3. Anker Nano Power Bank. Ever been caught with a low battery at the worst time? The Anker Nano Power Bank is your sleek, pocket-sized lifesaver. At just 0.3 inches thin, it magnetically snaps onto your iPhone 17 Pro Max for fast, secure, 15W MagSafe compatible charging, no cables needed. With 5,000 mAh capacity, gives your phone dependable power on the go, charging up to 25% in under 45 minutes. Safety is top tier too thanks to graphene cooling and dual NTC chips, keeping temperatures 14 degrees cooler than the standard for safer charging. You also get 20W USB-C fast charging for wired use, and with Anker's 24-month warranty, you're backed by trusted quality. Whether you're traveling, shooting content, or just out for the day, this ultra-slim power bank keeps your iPhone juiced up without weighing you down. Slim, safe, and super efficient, this is the MagSafe charger your busy lifestyle demands. Number 4. TORRAS 67-watt retractable USB-C charger. Say goodbye to tangled cables and slow charging. The TORRAS FlexLine 67W charger brings smart design and serious power together. Its smooth flex retractable cable gives you stepless length adjustment, so you always have the perfect reach, whether at home, the office, or traveling across 200+ countries with its universal voltage support. Equipped with GaN 3 technology and dual chip innovation, it delivers 67W super fast charging, powering your iPhone, MacBook, or tablet simultaneously while monitoring temperature 36,000 times per hour for ultimate safety. In just 10 minutes, your phone gets a 30% boost, and your MacBook Air hits 50% in half an hour. This isn't just a charger, it's a travel essential and workspace upgrade, replacing clutter with convenience. Backed by an 18-month warranty and TORRAS's trusted service, the FlexLine transforms charging from a chore into a smooth, effortless experience. Once you use it, you'll never go back. Number 5. TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip Kit. If you're serious about mobile photography, the TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip is a game changer. Built exclusively for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it combines professional-grade design with smart tech. Its graphene cooling case keeps your phone running cooler for longer shoots, while the built-in 3200 mAh battery extends your filming time and even charges another device. With DSLR-style ergonomics and customizable NFN keys, you'll enjoy precise control over filters, ISO, or shutter speed, all through the Reef Color app, which updates firmware and adds pro-level filters. It's wrapped in retro leather for comfort and style, and with a double magnetic snap, it locks firmly onto your iPhone or any MagSafe case. Plus, it expands easily, attaches lights, tripods, or mics for a complete creator setup. Whether you're vlogging, filming, or capturing daily life, this grip gives you the balance, stability, and control of a true camera rig right from your phone. Thanks for watching. If this product helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Amazon reviews and tech finds. See you in the next video.